The post-election wahala for Edo State never end as the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and their candidate Aso Ighodalo dey face plenty setback. The Edo State PDP and their governorship candidate Aso Ighodalo don chop serious blow for their appeal wey dem carry go court against the results of the September 21, 2024 election. After dem lose for election tribunal, PDP and Ighodalo waka go court of appeal hoping say dem fit turn the judgment. But for the hearing wey shele on Thursday for Abuja, their lawyers no fit show better evidence. Governor Monday Okpebholo and the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) come beg the court say make dem throway the appeal, say e no get head or tail. Governor Okpebholo lawyer Onyekachi Ikpeazu SAN come talk say even if dem remove all the votes wey dem dey argue about, e no go change anything as im client and APC still win with clear majority. E even talk say PDP dey talk about wahala for ballot paper serial number, but say the forms wey dem mention no even need serial number or dem no submit am give court. Ikpeazu come still talk say PDP no show important evidence like Form EC25D and e call the appeal academic exercise say na waste of time. APC lawyer Emmanuel Okala SAN and INEC lawyer Kanu Agabi SAN also yarn say make court maintain the tribunal judgment. Okala talk say under Section 73 subsection 2 and 137 of Electoral Act 2022, people wey dey complain must bring witnesses from all the polling units wey dem talk get wahala. But say PDP only bring 5 agents wey far small from the over 700 polling units wey dem mention. After everybody don talk, the 3 judges wey dey led by Justice M.A. Danjuma come reserve judgment say dem go later announce the day wey court go give final ruling. After the sitting, Edo APC Chairman Emperor Jared Tenebe and APC legal advisor Steve Okuro come talk say,
well, judgment has been reserved for the main appeal. The main appeal and the cross appeal, judgment has been reserved. Well, it's same issues that were canvassed at the lower court that you are still seeing here. The point is the appeal has no leg as I speak. Even the cross appeal they were arguing about the processes and the rest of it all, they have no basis. So I think this appeal is also dead on arrival because they are the same case, and the lower tribunal was right in reaching its decision.
Now they appealed against the judgment of the tribunal. Now today they've adopted their brief of argument, while the respondents, APC, the governor, and the INEC, they responded by also arguing their brief also. Now, judgment has been reserved for a later date that will be communicated to all parties. All parties, they have canvassed their issues, and then so far so good. We see that you cannot put something on nothing and expect it to stand. All they just said is that, they refuse to look at what they have brought before the court. The issue of overvoting, the issue of not compliance with the Electoral Act, that the tribunal refused to look at it, And so in the response of the respondents, they say it was a mere academic exercise. And so judgment reserved for a later date. Thank you.
We go dey update una as the Court of Appeal dey prepare to drop final judgment. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.